let me show you a clip of women in England at the beginning of the 20th century, probably around 1902, wearing the hijab, the niqab, and the burqa. And these are not Muslim women, these are Christian women. You can see this woman in the middle here, and she's covered up, she's wearing a hijab. She looks like a Muslim lady, but in fact she's a Christian, because that was the traditional attire, even for Christians. Let's play the clip. Look at her. She's covering her face. You cannot see her face, you can only see her eyes. Oh, look at her. Let's go back. Look at her. You cannot see her face. And this woman here doesn't even want to show her face. Yeah, it's understandable. Respect yourself, lady. Have some manners. And look at these ladies here. They're also covering their faces. You can only see their eyes. Oh, and this woman here, look at her. She's wearing a burqa. She's fully covered. You cannot even see her eyes. If you didn't know that this was actually taking place in England in the 1900s, then you would probably think that this is somewhere in the Middle East, in an Arab country, a Muslim country. But no, this is in England, in Europe. So even the Christian women in England, they used to cover up, they used to dress like Muslims. And Muslim women are still upholding this practice up to this day. Because it's a commandment of God. And even in the Bible it says that women should cover up, like in 1 Corinthians chapter 11. And also if we go to the Catholic Bible, this is the book of Daniel, prophecy of Daniel chapter 13. If we go to verse 31 and 32, it's about Susanna, and she was exceeding delicate and beautiful to behold. But those wicked men commanded that her face should be uncovered, for she was covered. So in other words, Susanna covered her face. She was wearing a niqab or a burqa.